Did you know that PeekYou.com may have your personal details, like your phone number, home address, and even photos, listed for anyone to see? If you want to protect your privacy, I'll show you exactly how to remove your information step by step. But first, what is PeekYou.com? PeekYou.com is a people search website that collects information from public records and other data sources. It may display personal details, including images, making it important to opt out and secure your privacy. Now let's go through the steps to remove your data from PeekYou.com. Step 1. Visit PeekYou.com and enter your first name, last name, and location in the search bar. Click Search. Step 2. Find your record and click on your name to access your profile. If your profile has a green icon with a white person, the record is from PeekYou. The site may also display images next to your profile. Step 3. Click Opt Out in the top right corner of your profile. Step 4. Fill out the opt-out form using the same email in the Email Verify section. PeekYou requires a unique email for each opt-out request. If your email has been used before, try a different one or use a temporary email generator. Complete the CAPTCHA, check the required boxes, and click Submit. Step 5. Check your email for a verification message from PeekYou and click the link to confirm your removal request. Your removal request has been submitted and will be processed shortly. What to do after opting out? Removing yourself from PeekYou.com is a great step, but your personal data is still exposed on many other people search sites. Instead of opting out manually from 160 plus data brokers, let Delete My Info handle it for you. We remove your personal details from Google and major data broker sites, saving you time and effort. Take control of your privacy today. Visit DeleteMyInfo.com now. Like and subscribe for more privacy protection tips. Stay safe online.